Alrighty, so if you are looking for a miniature pottery wheel, but you want something that you're going to be able to throw some larger items on, or something that's just not going to stall out when you're using it, I have the Wheelie right here, and we're going to throw one of my 6-ounce mugs on it. I start with 16 ounces of clay for this, so we are going to use some of the dark brown clay. Now I will be using the suction cups. Because of the torque, it will walk on me, which you may have seen in a previous video that I've done where I actually have it on my actual regular pottery wheel, just so I can stand to throw. And we got our 16 ounces of clay. Let's throw. So right there we got 16 ounces of clay thrown on the Wheelie without any issues, and we're going to let that dry, and we're actually going to see, I'm going to see if I can trim it on here. Normally I would just throw it on my larger wheel and use the Giffen grip, but we're going to see if we can trim it on here once we flip it around and let it dry out. So stay tuned for that, but as you can see, 16 ounces on the Wheelie, not a problem.